Do you know how to find the volume of a pyramid? Well, let's take a look at this dilemma. What's the volume of this pyramid? Well, first, we've been given a couple of measurements. We've been told here that the height of the pyramid is equal to 10. And the base of the pyramid is equal to 4. That's the length of one of the sides of the base. Notice that the base of this pyramid is a square. And when we want to find the volume, we want to find the capacity of the figure. So how much can this pyramid hold? There's a formula that we're going to use to figure this out. We're going to say that the volume of a pyramid is equal to 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Again, this B isn't the length of one of the sides, it's the area of the base. So let's look at the pyramid that we just had a minute ago. This pyramid has a height of 10 and it has a side length of 4. We can use this side length of the base to find the area. Let's look at using this formula to find the volume of this pyramid. Here's our pyramid once again, and here's our formula. Volume is equal to 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Now let's substitute what we know. Volume is equal to, bring down the 1/3. How do we find the area of a square? The area of a square, here's our square, is found by multiplying the side times itself. The side length here is 4, so we can say that if we take 4 and we square it, then we will have the area of the base. And our height is 10. Now let's multiply. Volume is equal to 1/3, 4 times 4, which is 16, times 10. Now let's multiply this part. The volume is equal to 1/3 times 160. So the volume is equal to 53.3. And because the 3's would go on and on and on and on, we can leave it at 53.3. Now we haven't been given specific units, so it's 53.3 units cubed. Whenever we're talking about volume, we're talking about cubed units. Let's look at another one. Here's a triangular pyramid. This one's going to be a little trickier because the base of this pyramid is a triangle. The base here is equal to 12 inches. The height of the base, that's the little h, is equal to 8 inches. But the height here of the whole pyramid is equal to 10 inches. Now let's work on finding the volume of this pyramid. Here's our formula again. Now, how do we find the area of the base if the base is a triangle? We use this formula. Area is equal to 1/2 the base times the height. So we can say that the area of the base is equal to 1/2 of 8 times 12, which is equal to 48 inches squared. Now let's go back to the formula here. So we have volume is equal to 1/3 of 48 times the height of the pyramid, which is 10. Don't get confused because the formula has a little h and this one has a big H. Know that whatever this h is in the formula for volume, that we're talking about the height of the pyramid. Now we have volume is equal to 1/3 of 480. The volume is equal to 160 inches cubed. This is our answer, and our work is complete.